Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by identifying where the video lives and weather captions are available. On YouTube, click the three dots or CC to open subtitles. On other platforms, scan the player Chrome for captions or transcript link. If captions aren't visible, make sure auto captions are enabled. Once done, open the Share or More Options menu. Some sites expose a full transcript there. This first step saves time because platforms differ in how they expose text versus burned-in captions. Now extract the transcript itself by opening the Transcript pane or Captions menu and choosing the language you need. If there's no visible transcript, press F12, go to the Network or Elements tab and filter for VTT, SRT, or JSON responses that contain text. You'll often find fetch requests that return caption files. Once located, right-click to open in a new tab or copy the response. Make sure to clean timestamps and remove tags if you plan to edit or repurpose the text. Finish by cleaning and formatting the transcript. Remove or convert timestamps, correct misheard words, and break long lines into readable paragraphs. If the platform lacks captions, use a speech-to-text tool or upload the video to a trusted service. That gives you a searchable transcript. If files are blocked, make sure you're signed in, try a VPN, or use an authorized downloader. One key troubleshooting tip: if the Network tab returns empty, reload the player with caching disabled to capture the caption request.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.